video. It is your girl Tay. If you are new, go ahead and like this video, y'all. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell button so you know every time I upload a new video, okay? So today's video, I want to talk to you guys about how you can make $250 to $500 every single week here with Total Life Changer, y'all, because as you saw in my last video, a lot of people are in need of jobs, and a lot of people need to get serious as far as their life. You know what I mean? Their plan B, their, new stream of income, because things are not guaranteed, guys. And I want to help. I want to help you guys get serious about your wealth and your health, guys. So first of all, TLC has over 30 products, guys. Awesome and amazing. But especially now in this time, it is important to build your immune system. Keep healthy. Get all the vitamins and minerals that your body needs, y'all. And you already know what I'm going to talk about, which is the NutriBurst. So first of all, stop what you're doing. If you have not got your NutriBurst, go click the link down below and go get your NutriBurst. And also stop what you're doing and go get you some chaga, y'all. Chaga is a Siberian medicinal mushroom. This stuff is really, really good for boosting immune system health, and it's a superfood, as you can see at the bottom. It's 90 capsules. It's good to support immune system and a superfood. So listen, y'all, this stuff is really, really essential, y'all. This stuff is so good that, if you don't take a NutriBurst, you're gonna feel it when you don't take a NutriBurst. But overall, this is good for overall health. So even once this coronavirus passes, you still need to be on your NutriBurst and your chaga, y'all. This is really, really good. Like I always say, NutriBurst is equivalent to eating 10 salads, y'all. So if you don't eat 10 salads in one day, if you don't eat your fruits and your vegetables in one day, you need to get you some NutriBurst, y'all. This stuff is really, really good. And the chaga is really good as well. Let me show you how it looks. It's a capsule, guys, so you can open it. You can even cook with this, okay? You can cook with this. So you can just open it. Open the capsule and put it in whatever you like, y'all. This is how it looks. Like this. Boom, just like that. And this is really good. Like I said, you can open those capsules and put it in your drink. I take NutriShots. I take my NutriBurst, I pour it in my little shot glass, and I open one of these capsules and I put it inside and I take it back. Simple as that, y'all. So listen, it is important to stay healthy and continue to be healthy. You want to keep your family, all healthy and safe, you know what I mean, in general, not just because of this time. But listen, I know a lot of you guys just say, yeah, the products are great. I know I can lose 5 pounds in 5 days with the tea. The NutriBurst is great, but how can I make some money off these products? And I'm here to tell you how. First of all, what you need to do is invest $49.95 in yourself, in your business, guys. This is really, really important, because with that $49.95, you are going to get a business starter kit, okay? That kit will come with a free state-of-the-art website. So it's your retail website, it's your sign-up website. Everything will come with your starter kit. So when you get that website, it's up and running today, y'all. So we're talking about sign up today, you can start making money today. So when you get that website, you can send as much people as you want to your website. As soon as they click that link in your bio or click the link to your website and make a purchase, you will get paid instantly, and you will see it in your back office, okay? So your starter kit comes with your website. It's gonna come with samples of the detox tea, the original detox tea. You will get samples of the tea, and you will also get samples of the NRG that you can sample out to people who you think may want to be interested in joining the business with you, or who may be interested in losing 5 pounds in 5 days, or just getting some energy and burning 300 calories per capsule, okay? So you're gonna get some samples. You're going to get some other little business kits, little paraphernalia, things like that. And you're also going to get this purple book, which is really, really important, because this is going to give you a layout on how you want to start your business, y'all. This is like your contract or something like that. Not your contract, but this is like your new business goal, okay? Put it like that. Your new business, and get this and things like that. And then also you have to get one product. So I would recommend just start with the NutriBurst and the tea. When you get your starter kit, go ahead and get the CBD tea and NutriBurst kit, y'all. So you can start to try these products for yourself if you have never tried them, or if you've seen them a lot and you want to try them. Now would be the time, y'all. So once you get started, I want to say this: send me a message, because too many people sign up and I don't even know. Unless I go check my back office, and then it'd be like, you know what I mean? So once you get started, send me a DM in my Instagram and my Facebook, or go ahead and text the number down below and say, hey girl, Octavia, I just started, I'm ready to join your team, let's work, okay? So that's what you need to get started with TLC. After that, I'll plug you into my training and explain to you everything that you need to do to get started. So before you start your business, it's important for you to talk to people. So I know you know a few people who could stand to lose 5 pounds in 5 days. Maybe some people want to detox. Maybe some people want to lose their stomach. If you know those people, reach out to them before you get started or while you're waiting on your package to come. And also talk to people who you know may want to be interested in making some money, y'all, because now everybody needs to make money. There's nobody hiring right now, so people need to make money now. And here with TLC, we get paid every single day. So you get started today, you get paid tomorrow. You get paid every single day, every single week, and monthly. But once you get into TLC, we'll break that more down. But just know right now, you can benefit of getting paid every single day, okay? So how do you get paid every day? Like I said, remember that website I told you about that is running as soon as you get started? Well, when someone goes to your website and buys a bottle of NutriBurst, y'all, Jack Fallon's gonna send them the NutriBurst, so you don't gotta pack, you ain't gotta ship nothing. But while he's sending them the NutriBurst, he's gonna cut you a check of $20, y'all. So every single product that you sell, you get $20 for every single product, y'all. Now that adds up. So let's just say you know 5 people right now who need some NutriBurst, who need some vitamins to help fight, any sicknesses or keep their, immune system boosted. If you know 5 people, say, hey, you know what? I got some great liquid vitamins for you. I'll send you my link. Just go ahead and buy it, and you get it in like 2 or 3 days, which you will. And boom, you send them your link. They click, they buy. You get $20. Now you do that 5 times. That is $100 you made just that quick. Okay? So this is really, really lucrative. So right now, I want you to think about people who you know who need vitamins, who you know need to boost their immune system, who you know want to lose weight, detox, because we're home anyway. You might as well detox and start getting snacks in the house, so when it's time to go back outside, we all be looking good and healthy, okay? So think about people who you may know who want to join you in business, who want to make some money, or who want to lose some weight, y'all. And I'm telling you, if you can share and promote like you do anyway, you share a movie you saw, you share some shoes you bought, but you didn't get paid for that. If you could do the same thing here with TLC, I promise you, you will see money every single day, y'all. Seriously. So all you have to do is just share the product. Another way, that's the first way we get paid, is called retail. We get paid 5 ways with TLC, and that's the first way, is retail. So your retail website, people go click the link in your bio and purchase NutriBurst. That is a retail commission, okay? And also having products on hand. But now, you don't want to do too much gatherings and, meetings because of this coronavirus. So what I did was I had, a home party. There's a lot of ways you can run your business from home and just, offline instead of online. A lot of people don't like to be online. I personally do both online and offline, marketing, if you want to say. But I had a home party. I had a bunch of products, laid out. I invited some people, some family, some friends, people I didn't know, and I talked to them about these products, and they bought it. And they bought it and they wanted it because they wanted it right now. So product on hand means cash on demand. So if you keep products on you right now, people will buy it. Boom, boom. So they don't gotta wait for shipping. You know what I mean? So there's plenty of ways you can run your business, y'all. But I highly suggest that you get started now. In like 2 days, TLC brought in 38,000 people, y'all, in 2 days. That was so lucrative because a lot of people understand that, you know what? I need a job. I need to make some money while I'm home, guys. You could really make you $250 $250 to $500 every single week if you are willing to put in the work. Be coachable, be teachable, and follow directions first of all, okay? So you can definitely do this, y'all. So if you're thinking about getting started, I want you to already get that out your mind, that mindset of thinking, you know what if I don't sell? What if I don't do this? What if I don't be great? Kill that now, because you're already crushing all the good energy that's trying to come around you to help you succeed in this business, okay? So don't come into this business thinking you're gonna fail already, because that's exactly what's gonna happen. Come into this business thinking about, you know what? I could talk to people. I know people who need to get healthy. I know people who need these health products. Let me go ahead and share with them. And boom, thinking like that, you will do good in this business, y'all, okay? So, I don't want to make this video too long, y'all. I just want you guys to really get encouraged and start your business today. TLC is just the easiest company you could ever do. Seriously, it's easy. And now we're home. All I do is stay home, drink my tea. You know what I mean? Post, promote, and share. And people click the link in my bio and buy. You know what I mean? Okay, so if you are ready to get started, click the link down below and send me a message once you get started. I'll plug you into my awesome team. I'm so proud of them, y'all. My team is really, really killing it, y'all. I love TLC, guys, and you will love TLC too. So I'm proud of my team, y'all. So listen, if you're ready to join the TLC family, you're ready to join my team, Let's go, let's work, and let me show you how you can make some money every single day, y'all. Especially now, a lot of people are, stressed out, depressed, and have anxiety, don't know what to do. We have products that will help them, y'all. We have CBD oil, we got CBD cream, you know what I mean? We got CBD tea, CBD tea. So we have everything that, and CBD spray. Boom, y'all. We have everything that everyone needs to, just feel calm and relaxed and at ease during this time. And what better way to feel at ease is to drink and take products that work while making money off of them, y'all. Seriously, this is a great industry to be a part of. Freaking online sales are skyrocketing, y'all. Why not let them people buy from you? Over 1 million people lost their jobs, y'all. And I know you know somebody who may be affected from this, corona epidemic, you know what I mean? So share the news, share it with your friends and your family, and get them on board. But you got to be the first one to say yes. That first yes depends on you. So once you say yes, you can help everybody else say yes, and we all can live a great, successful life, y'all. Do not let this thing tear you down. We are still living and breathing, guys. This is a chance for a lot of us to have a new opportunity, a new shot at life, you know what I mean? While we are home, just cleaning up, or just spending time with the family, or just spending time with ourselves. This is the time to really do personal development, y'all, and start a new skill, and most of all, make some money from home, y'all. So don't let this epidemic go by. You guys come out still the same people, still complaining, still stressing, still blaming A, B, and C, still robbing Peter to pay Paul. All that stuff has to stop now, y'all. So listen, become that boss that you are. Click the link down below, get started, join my team, and let's work, y'all, okay? So like I said, get your starter kit, which is $49.95. Then go ahead and get your NutriBurst and your CBD tea, and start your journey, y'all. I'm here, and I want to help. I want to help as many people as possible, because I'll feel bad if this goes by, and I have a great, vehicle in my hand, and I don't share it to help others. I'll feel bad. So this is why I really encourage you guys to get started, and let's lock arms, y'all, and let's make this thing work. Okay, so. I'll see you guys in my next video, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and let's work.